Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this math question which is very tricky for many, but I will solve stepwise so you can easily solve this and try to solve by your own. To feature in our shortout list here, these are top commenters. You can comment and feature here. Whatever your answer will be, right or wrong, I will give you shortout. So here what we can see, actually 3 or 4 operations are there. We will solve with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis part. And what was there? 1 plus 0.5. We will write 1.5 in the place of this parenthesis. So our equation will become 0.5 times 1.5 divided by 1.5. Look like this. So many are solving like this because there is 1.5 divided by 1.5. They will get 1 as answer and they will write 0.5 times 1 which equals to 0.5 which equals to the right answer. But do you think this is the right way? No, this is not the right way. So what is the right way? I will show you here. We will rewrite our question 0.5 times 1.5 divided by 1.5. Now here, as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case what? In that case we have to solve left to right, or we can simply, there are actually two ways. You can simply write 0.5 times 1.5 divided by 1.5. Look like this. Okay, but we will solve in a step-by-step method. So we will solve like 1.5 times 0.5. When we multiply, what you get? 75, and 2 times that is 0.75. So here 0.75. Now what we will do, which will be divided to 1.5. Again, when we divide this, we can write like this. This will be very simplest form, simplest way actually to solve this. Okay, so here when we remove decimal, we have to apply multiply by 10, and when we remove this decimal, we have to divide by 100. Okay, so our ultimate equation will become 75 divided by 15 into 10 by 100. Okay, actually this is 1.5. This is nothing but what? 1.5 can be written as 1.50. Do you understand? So when we divide this 15 times 5, and we will write here in that place 5 times 10, 5 times 10, that is equal to 50 divided by 100. Again, what we get? 0.5. See here, 0.5 is the right answer, but don't try to solve in that way. This is the wrong way. This is the right way. Okay, so if you are serious, then must check out our videos and check out description for better products for yourself.